I will have to resort to this. I don't know how to put the picture there, so um, get this other app, what YouTube Studio. I don't want to struggle. So it's now officially like day 9 with no electricity, and I invited this old man over for dinner and I cooked him dinner. I look really rough, full of wood smoke and what do you call it? Soot, the black stuff. Charcoal. But I cooked him a very nice dinner in, well, this cast iron pots that you call a potjiekos pot. I've got a lot of them. In the past that I used to work in the bush a lot or far away on mines and stuff, I would cook for everybody, and I did it like a tremendous amount of times, and I got quite good at it. I like cooking in general. So this power outage is caused by a transformer that blew up, and I saw a picture like of the new transformer, and it's not a very big thing. So I think the issue was more like the amount it has to supply far surpasses the capabilities, So they say it's switched on and in testing phase, so I don't know why bother. If it breaks, it breaks, So I reckon like the chances that it will break again is quite good. I made this old man a little lithium light. I don't have little lithium lights. And just to say, it like helped me a lot. And it's just kind of stressful and it's frustrating, like to have stuff bottling up. Because you have to run a thing through in your head and then go and do it. And you can't empty it, like you can't. And it's constantly like, it's a mission to do stuff, I don't know if I mentioned it's totally full moon. It looks like a huge spotlight in the sky. It's very nice for cameras that's like low light. Actually, like the majority of them have lux ratings that would be like on a full moon night or a no full moon. So like a cell phone is more or less 0.1 lux. Although you do get, like with the newer phones, there's certain brands that has IMX image processors. So but the phone more or less see a little bit blacker than you see. So a good camera is about, if 0.1 is more or less human sight, then a good camera would be 0.0000 or whatever. One, you know? So you save a lot on power consumption because you don't need infrared. So if you use backlight capabilities and stuff like that, then you just need a little bit of white light. And I have one here now that I'm putting for my friend up. And if I had electricity and more time, I would have liked to videotape the heavens. I think they are brilliant for that because they take the existing light and amplify, more or less like what a telescope would do. I'm trying to concrete my driveway, and that's been quite a lot of work. I try to at least every day do 4 wheelbarrows or whatever. We try, but it's been raining crazy, so that's been, and it's now sunlight, so I did a lot of that. You also have to work because it costs money. So I would say luxuries that I miss the most would be listening to music, or just Googling random stuff, or watching YouTube. I would say also playing games, but that is better to be busy and doing things. Because you can waste endless hours. I used to be extremely addicted to this game, Elder Scrolls Online. Yo. So all the coolest, nicest stuff, except for certain stuff, but it's all just stats that you program into a item or whatever. So you could buy very impressive stuff if you use real money, but you could make, if you went through the process and learned all the skills and all the time that went into it. It's tremendous amounts of time. And you learn the system and all that. So it's basically like work. You have to farm and harvest and make money and sell stuff and collect stuff, and it's like living a life apart from life, and that's not. It's a tremendous. I don't know why it's such a tremendous amount of fun to need just waste hours cruising around and doing stuff and leveling this fictional. I don't get it. Anyhow, okay, it's already 9 minutes. So okay.